Happy New Year. I am taking a little break from work. I want to do my celery juice routine, and I wanted to show you in hopes that maybe you will incorporate it into your 2020. The whole steps or all the steps. Sorry, I'm already high. And yeah. Okay, so one of the most common questions is what type of juicer do I use? Hamilton Beach is like the wide mouth juicer. You can get it at Target. You can get it on Amazon. It's really awesome. It's like $55 or between $50 and $60. I actually had one of my really good friends actually got me a super expensive juicer on Black Friday for Christmas one year. And I used that thing for years. This works just as good, and it's 100 times easier to maneuver in and out of the cabinet and shit like that. So yeah, get this, Hamilton Beach. Okay, so I have my juicer together. This is sort of the back end of it where all the pulp goes. And I want to show you guys this cheat code of all cheat codes. It's one less thing to have to worry about. I use the wrapper that I get my celery in, or the plastic that you put your celery in, and I just use it as a little trash can bag for this thing, and it's so fucking easy. Okay, down to the juicing. So the idea is that you drink 16 to 32 ounces of celery juice on an empty stomach every single morning. And it has to be organic. You obviously have to wash it. So I'm gonna show you sort of what I do. This celery I've had for like 2 days. I actually wanna reach out to Medical Medium and see exactly what he recommends for storing celery. I feel like I'm always going to Whole Foods and buying this shit. I feel like I wish I could like get it in more bulk, but this is only 2 days, and I feel like this would be the last day that I would actually juice this because I'm psychotic. Okay, team Movie Magic. I trimmed the bottom of the celery. I also trimmed the top off slightly. We are ready to wash it, which you definitely have to do. It's covered in good old dirt, I think. I don't know, maybe it's cow shit, I'm not sure. Okay, now, so I like to run mine under ice cold water to rinse it off. I also like to take each stalk and individually sort of give it a cheap little handy just to make sure that it's totally clean and ready to be juiced. The cold water makes the juice cold, obviously, so that it's a little bit easier to get down. It's a little bit more difficult to drink warm celery juice. You don't believe me? Try it. Hey, bitch, this is where my neighbors fucking hate me. Not right now, but normally I'm doing this at like 5:30 in the morning. Okay, so I literally just, that was a lot of water. I literally just grabbed the celery. More than you're recommended to do because, you know, my ass is impatient and nobody got time to do one stalk at a time. And you're just gonna juice it. Literally. That's literally it. So I'm gonna juice this shit. Just like that, you have the elixir. Now, one of my least favorite parts. Just kidding, I love it. I'm thankful for this. I love this. I do this every morning, and I have to talk myself into it every time because I know that this is keeping me looking like this. It's helping me from the inside out and bottoms up. Okay. All right, now the fun part, cleaning up. Okay, so now the cleanup. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of this machine as well. I basically unplug it, obviously. I rinse that little thing off over there, I put that there. I just pop this thing off, like scoop that into like this. I'm doing this one-handed, but like into that part. This literally, sorry I had to dry my phone off because, you know, I just ran it under the sink. Okay, this is super easy. I don't know if you can tell, but celery just rinses right out of these little guys. So you got that done. Okay, so repeat all the steps with those pieces. Remember this guy? You're welcome. Wipe down the man and just, you know, make sure he's nice and clean. No big deal though. This, scrub it out with your brush, pop everything into the dishwasher, and you are literally all set. Happy 2020, everybody. Here's to a prosperous year full of health, happiness, and wealth, and celery juicing.